Fields. All right, I would like you all to help me. Welcome to the stage. Someone who's gone through all the classes, every type of class they have at Stomping Ground, not only for improv, but also for stand-up. Please give a hearty welcome to the one and only Brandon Enriquez.
I just flew in from Amsterdam, and boy, are my arms full of heroin. I'm just joking. I don't do heroin anymore. I'm from Canada. I grew up playing hockey. Canada, hockey's like a religion. Every morning we have our Canadian breakfast. Canadian bacon, say our Canadian prayers. Bless us, Lord Stanley. It has been 3 games since my last goal. I got in a fight, a penalty, and I didn't hurt the guy enough. Oh, hail, Lord Stanley. Full of beer. Without you, there would be no jobs for Zamboni drivers. Oh, hello, Stanley. May our mullets always be more party in the back than business in the front. Trip him, hook him, spear him, in the unity of the hockey spirit, forever chirping them about plowing their mows. You know, when I went to growing up in Canada, and we played foot hockey at recess. There's no stick. It's just your foot. You kick the ball, kick a tennis ball, because only in Canada would they call foot hockey what everyone in the world calls soccer. Canadians will relate everything to hockey. If we created UFC fighting, we'd be like, okay, so what you're saying is we got mixed martial arts, right? And they're fighting each other. Okay, what are we gonna call this new sport? I got it, fist hockey. Everything's hockey. Hey, Bill, you wanna go fishing this weekend? Oh, I don't know, it's been a long time since I've done any worm hockey. Even to my wife at home, I'd be like, hey, honey, how about you and me go upstairs, play some penis hockey? Imagine having to explain hockey to someone who didn't know how violent it was. First, you play on a slippery surface. Everybody is wearing knife boots. They are slapping you with a stick and shooting a vulcanized rubber disc about 100 miles per hour. Yeah, but in Canada, we measure in kilometers, so that would be about 1,000 kilometers an hour. Even the penalties sound violent. Hooking, slashing, spearing. What is this, hockey or Game of Thrones? Am I auditioning for Game of Thrones or am I... Anyway, this is my impression of Canadian orgasm. Oh, Jesus, Donnie, you are banging the bejesus out of me. Hey, Oh, looks like the Leafs are gonna win the Stanley Cup. Whoa. Why don't you go ahead and come first? Come before me. Okay. No, I insist. You come. Oh, you come. I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. I was looking for a light, but there's no countdown. So, I just want one thing to say about, to get to know what it was like marrying. You know, they say when you marry someone, you marry their family. I married an American, a Texan, and it was like marrying Texas. It's like marrying into a new way of life. You know? Do you, Brandon, take this lovely Texas peach? Make her your lovely wedding wife, even though most of her friends from college knew her as a dirty leg. Do you, Brandon, promise to address a group of people as y'all? And do you promise to definitively include everyone in that group as all y'all? Do you promise to love her in the good times of drinking Coors Light and playing cornhole? And the bad times of burning your brisket and drinking gay Bud Light? By the power vested in this F-150, I now pronounce you married to America. Now let's go buy you a gun, shoot it in the air, because those bullets ain't gonna come down and kill nobody. Thank you very much. My name's Brandon.